Hello, welcome back to my channel. This reading is an update on the Divine Masculine situation. So the first card we have is Two of Arrows. I am seeing that the Divine Masculine is working with someone, is still in this twin flame journey with the Divine Feminine, and he is a willing participant. And he wants to caress her or take care of her. He is still in this connection. The next card we have is Five of Arrows, but he has a tendency to run away or to escape, as here we can see in this picture that she is lying here, and in her absence or when she's not looking, he wants to caress her or take care of her and heal her wounds. But when she is not looking, he's staring at her when she's not looking, or when she is absent. But when she gets up, he runs away. So the Divine Masculine is the runner in this situation or in this update. So I can see that it has been a long time since you entered this twin flame journey, and since that long time he has been running. This could be a male or a female, but this person is in divine masculine energy for this update. And I see that a lot of changes have occurred since you both have met. And you both have come together, so most of you are married in this reading. And yes, if you were wondering who am I living with, then yes, this is a confirmation that you are with your twin flame or your soulmate, and it's meant to last forever. You both have come in twin flame union to be to make it last forever, however be the case. So stay strong and keep going, as you have to make it last forever. Keep your strength. And Divine Masculine in the 5D wants to communicate this to you, especially that Divine Feminines, please keep going, I am coming to you. This his higher self wants to tell you right now in this reading, and he wants to give another message in the 5D. His higher self wants to communicate that in the 3D he has been feeling shy, unable to express his emotions, but he is completely mesmerized by you. He wants to give in this connection and do lots of things for you, especially regarding wedding arrangements. He wants to participate in that. So maybe this reading is for a newly wedded couple or someone who is in the process of marriage. I see that overall this is a good relationship. We have the Strength card and the Six of Cups, so this will be a good relationship and it will last forever. So you have made the right choice by deciding to marry your twin flame, if you were wondering what decision you have chosen. And I'm feeling that For some of you, you have a soulmate, but you have clicked on this video, so you should check out another video to see if this is a twin flame or a soulmate. You might have clicked on this video wondering if your future partner is a twin flame or a soulmate. Now the next card we have here is religious factors. So a twin flame is someone who might come from a different background of experiences on a soul level, that they have done a different soul journey, but when it comes to their mindset or the perspective, you both share the same. So this is the message I am getting. And despite the separation, you want to make it last longer. You don't want a separation. Twin flames especially go through separations when they are about to meet. So you can look at separation in a positive light or in a different way. That if separation has happened, then it means that a union is coming closer, that this separation is never meant to last forever. So in a sense, separation is a clear demarcation that the union is somewhere near in this lifetime or the next lifetime. But we can manifest the connection through making heart-to-heart conversations, or making conversations from your heart, being authentic and speaking your mind. If you speak or follow your heart, this connection will come closer to you. As many people, mostly runners, run away from such conversations, and here in this reading, Divine Masculine has been seeing separation from Divine Feminine because he expects her to reach out to her. This is what I am seeing, regardless of the gender, whether be a male or a female Divine Masculine. And he wants to give another chance to her to reach out to him. And he thinks that this another chance is a big deal, that he wouldn't give to anyone easily, but he wants to give it to her. For some of you, you have been wondering if this is a unrequited love, or if there can be ever reciprocation possible in the twin flame connection. I am seeing that you need to first work on manifesting the twin flame rather than focusing on moving on or lamenting on it. You should wait for the person to come in, and you should try to fix the situation by talking to this person. If you have been wondering whether you should call or text this person, as this will be a good resort, but you should remember that love is a losing game, and they might not be in love with you right now, as it will take time for them to realize their feelings, whether they love you or not. But for now, they think they don't love you. They haven't felt love actually. It is a process that someone needs to go through. So right now, I can see with this card that they think that they are not in love with you, and they need to go through that process of feeling love to know whether they love you or not. And again, we have the 7 number. So I'm seeing that you can surely reach out to this person. Surely do, but remember that love is a losing game, and there is a chance most likely this person won't reciprocate to you right now, as as going through love is a process, and they need to feel it or extract it, like know it in its essence. They haven't fully experienced love in this connection, they're still in the process, so let them feel this separation while you reach out. So reach out to them surely. I'm hearing that reach out to them surely, but gently, in a gentle manner, if you want them to be a gentleman to you. And I'm seeing that you have been feeling very desperate to reach out to this person, wondering if you would be doing something stupid if you would reach out. So this is the advice I got for you. Thank you for watching this video.